Welcome to Maryanne's Creative Mix. Hello, creatives. I just wanted to tell you about my story. I was a special education teacher who is now retired, and now I do craft fairs and create YouTube videos. If you are someone who is wanting to explore your creative side, I want to invite you to join and subscribe and be a part of our community. Each week, I'll provide you with a varied collection of crafting, local events, step by step tutorials, or guides to some great videos to help inspire you to find your creative outlet. I believe everybody has a skill that they're good at, and maybe sometimes they just have to try it out to find. I like to do different things, and sometimes I get bored with one thing, so I'll go from painting to journaling to crocheting. I'll also include a couple of videos of my adventures as a craft fair vendor. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring videos and creative adventures.